Keeping your car spotless isn't just about appearances, it's about comfort, hygiene, and even resale value. But let's be honest, those fast food crumbs, pet hair, and dust hiding in every crevice can be a nightmare to clean. That's where a powerful car vacuum makes all the difference. Whether you need deep suction power, cordless convenience, or a compact handheld design, we've rounded up the absolute best car vacuums of 2025 to help you tackle every mess with ease. Stick around as we break down the top models, their features, and which one is the perfect fit for your car cleaning needs. Let's start. Number 1 is Worx PowerShare Cordless Cube Vac. This cordless cube vac is a compact yet powerful vacuum designed for on-the-go cleaning. Despite its small size, it delivers strong suction to tackle everyday messes. Its 2-speed setting lets you adjust suction power for different cleaning needs. A standout feature is its retractable, flexible hose, extending up to 4 feet, making it easy to clean tight spaces like car crevices and under furniture. The crevice nozzle further enhances efficiency in hard-to-reach areas. Maintenance is simple with a one-touch emptying system and a reusable HEPA filter. Plus, it's part of the Worx PowerShare system, meaning the battery is interchangeable with other Worx tools. Weighing only 3 pounds, its compact design makes storage easy, making it a highly convenient cleaning tool. Number 2 is Fanttik Fold V 10 Cordless Car Vacuum. It is a high-suction handheld vacuum with a unique pivoting design, allowing 7 cleaning angles for easy access to car interiors. An LED display provides real-time battery and suction power updates. Powered by an 80,000 RPM brushless motor, it delivers 17,000 pascals of suction to lift dust, pet hair, and debris. The 16.9-ounce dust bowl reduces the need for frequent emptying, and its side door design allows mess-free disposal. The lithium-ion battery provides up to 35 minutes of runtime and recharges in 2.5 hours via Type-C charging. Lightweight and ergonomic, the Fanttik Fold V10 is a professional-grade cleaning tool for maintaining a spotless vehicle. Number 3 is Black+Decker Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum. The Black+Decker Dustbuster offers powerful suction and user-friendly features. With up to 4 times more suction power than standard hand vacs, it's perfect for cars, upholstery, and household messes. Its extra long crevice tool reaches deep into tight spaces, and the 2-speed setting includes a power boost mode for stubborn dirt. The extra large dustbin minimizes emptying, and the one-touch system makes disposal easy. Its compact, cordless design ensures convenience and easy storage, making it a reliable cleaning companion for quick cleanups. Number 4 is Hoover AutoVac Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. It is built for vehicle owners needing strong, cordless cleaning power. Its grab-and-go design allows for hassle-free use, and the included accessory kit featuring an extension hose and various nozzles ensures versatile cleaning. Dust Vault technology captures 99.4% of particles, preventing dust from re-entering the air. The vacuum maintains consistent suction and includes 2 1-power lithium-ion batteries for extended runtime. The package also includes a charger, motorized pet tool, flexi crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery tool. With strong suction and multiple attachments, the Hoover AutoVac keeps your car spotless with ease. Number 5 is Redtiger Car Vacuum. With 21,000 pascals of suction power, this car vacuum effortlessly removes dirt, crumbs, and dust. Its self-cleaning function simplifies debris disposal, while the one-touch emptying system ensures a mess-free experience. Battery life is impressive, up to 70 minutes in Eco mode, 31 minutes in Medium, and 20 minutes in Max. The USB-C charging port allows easy recharging anywhere. Weighing only 1.8 pounds, it's ultra-lightweight and maneuverable. Its multi-purpose accessories, including detachable brush heads and inflation nozzles, make it a versatile tool for car and home maintenance. Number 6 is Quotor Car Vacuum. The Quotor Car Vacuum delivers 23,000 pascals of suction with its high-speed brushless motor, effectively removing debris, pet hair, and fine dust. It features a dual battery system for up to 45 minutes of cleaning and an LED display showing battery and suction levels. Compact and handheld, it easily reaches tight spaces and comes with a storage case for accessories. The combination of powerful suction, long-lasting battery, and smart display makes it an excellent choice for vehicle cleaning. Number 7 is Fanttik V8 Apex Car Vacuum. It excels in detail-oriented cleaning. With 19,000 pascals of suction powered by an 80,000 RPM brushless motor, it efficiently handles dust and debris. Its 4-in-1 functionality allows vacuuming, dust blowing, inflating, and air pumping. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, while a single touch lid opening system ensures mess-free emptying. The HEPA filter captures 95.99% of fine particles, and the included storage bag makes it convenient for on-the-go cleaning. Number 8 is Seika Portable Car Vacuum. It combines vacuuming, blowing, and inflating in one compact device. Its high-speed brushless motor offers suction levels from 10,000 to 20,000 pascals, handling dust, dirt, and inflating tasks effortlessly. It doubles as a safety tool with a built-in car window breaker and seatbelt cutter. USB Type-C and standard USB charging options enhance convenience. With an efficient HEPA filter and a one-touch emptying system, the Seika Portable Car Vacuum is a powerful, multifunctional tool for drivers who value safety and convenience. Each vacuum has its strengths depending on what you need. If you prioritize maximum suction, go for Quotor. If you need the longest runtime, Redtiger is unbeatable. Fanttik V8 Apex and Seika Portable add versatility beyond just vacuuming. However, if you want a simple, effective, and affordable vacuum, the Black+Decker Dustbuster is a solid choice.